Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about create additional image sizes in the WordPress. First of all, let me show you what image sizes are in the WordPress. So here I am logged in on my local site, and if we go to settings and media, you will see these three different sizes provided by the WordPress. So apart from this three image size, if you want to have your own image sizes that you can add uh, using this function. But first let me show you what happens when we upload any image. So I'm gonna add a new image. Let's copy this URL and see in which folder it goes. So it goes inside uploads 2022-11. So I'm gonna open the folder and I'm gonna show you the image. So this is my WordPress WP content uploads 2022 and this is 11. So let's make this list. I cannot make this bigger. Anyways, so this one is the original image. This image is this large size, which is max width 1024, max height 1024. This image, I'm not sure where it is coming from. Maybe theme has another size added. Then this medium size image is this 300 by 225. 300 is width and 225 is height. Here it says maximum width and maximum height, so it adjusts the height based on the width. And thumbnail size is 150 by 150 and it says crop. So whenever the crop is enabled, it will exactly resize into that dimension. So if I open this original image, which is this, then let's open 300 by 225, which is this. So this image is not cropped. You can see it just shrinks down into this dimension. So as you can see, this all the corners and are there in a small size. But this 150 by 150 is cropped because crop is true. So if you can see that it cropped down from here. So whenever crop is true, it shrinks down to the exact dimension with the crop. And whenever the crop is not true, it will adjust the height based on the width without cropping anything. I hope this makes sense. So let me close this. Now apart from this, let's say my theme needs 200 by 200 image. So I'm gonna add that new image size. So in what action we have to use, we can use this add image size. So the action to use is after setup theme. So I'm gonna open my child themes functions.php and I'm gonna add action after setup theme, callback, So in this callback, I'm gonna add a new image size, and the syntax for the image size is this. So first parameter is the handler or name for the image size. So I'm gonna call it BWP thumb, and width I will need 200, height 200. Let's not crop. The last parameter is whether you want to crop it or not. By default it is false, so let's not crop for now. And now if let me delete this images and refresh this, and let me upload the image again. And now let's check the folder again. So now as you can see, there is a new image size called 200 by 150 because we haven't enabled cropping, so we are having that image. So it is adding that image. Now let me delete that, and let's do a cropping. So it will create 200 by 200 image. Let's check the folder, and as you can see, now we have sorry, 200 by 200 image by cropping. Now let's keep as it is. And how to display those new image size on the site? So for that we will go onto home page, and let's upload an image for this post. We will upload the same image we just uploaded. Featured image, set image. This is the image. So currently it is fetching the big image. So instead of this big image, let's try to fetch our custom sized image. So we will go to this parent themes index.php, and in that image is coming from this template part, content. So I'm gonna go to template part, content.php, and inside that, this is singular, this is for singular. This is the post thumbnail. So go to this function. This is for singular. So I hope image is coming from this. Let's comment this line and should go on. Yes, so it is coming from this. So here we are fetching the post thumbnail, and first is the size parameter, which is the name of the image. So instead of this, we will use this size name over here, and let's try to refresh this. So as you can see, we are getting that small image, but because of some CSS, it is displaying this much big, but let's try to remove the CSS. Inside the element you can see that the width and height is 200 for this, and our image 200 by 200 JPEG is displaying. So yeah, I'm gonna temporarily remove this style, and as you can see, this is the small size image we can fetch. So this is how we can add new additional image sizes in the WordPress and display to the front side of the site. I hope this video makes sense to you now, and if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.